Today we're going to be doing LPS bloopers. So, today we have my best friend, Amber. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Amber, and I have my own YouTube channel.
Yep. So, we are going to be doing LPS bloopers. So, how we're going to be doing that, and what we're going to be doing is, we're just going to be,
With the video cameras, we did some really dumb and funny stuff.
Yeah, it was police video cameras on accident, and we're just going to be rerunning what we did from the video cameras, and we're just going to, yeah. So, let's get started. Ew, what is that thing? I dare you to try it.
If we saw a man leaving and running away, that would be
Like
a
with my
fresh scent
paw?
for a dog.
No,
That's
with
different
your
from what we saw
tongue.
last week with the dogs looking when the dogs came a little bit late to the scene. If they have dogs out
What
there,
if it's
it
gum?
would be a fresh scent for a dog might feel foul.
It burned! And then run out of here. Gonna get you for that. I didn't do it.
Not you.
Ew, it hurts. Get it off.
Well, they should have had that center.
Sure.
The minute the guy was spotted, and the minute they were
Get it out of my eyes, someone.
Now, the second question is,
It
one
hurts.
man was seen fleeing the cabin. Did they have the DNA
Okay,
of
let's go wash up. Okay, this next one is very embarrassing. This one's embarrassing because
They did something very stupid and embarrassing.
just watch.
You know, we spent a lot of time.
I like to see and I like to dance. And I like to around all day long. Oh yeah, I gotta be like that. I gotta go get my best outfit on. Hold on 1 second, I'll be out in like 3 seconds. 1,
Yeah, they are using infrared and heat-seeking technology in the helicopter. We saw
3. I told you I'd be back. I got my best dancing foot on. Now it's time to get into action. Oh yeah, I need my binky. Fill full milk, or I put it in water.
They have a lot of challenges out here, and so far, apparently, they haven't been able to find these men using that technology. But
I need a box.
Any reason to think that there aren't any cameras going into where they're missing weapons?
Okay, ready? This is my favorite song in the whole wide world. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, your face will surely show. And if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Yay! You did it good! You did it great! Okay, now I'm happy. Okay, it's a pretty tweet. Hopefully there's no camera in it or anything like that. Because if there's a camera, I'm gonna scream. So, let's hope there's no camera. Told you it'd be insanely embarrassing. They're badly embarrassing. Now it's Amber's turn. She's gonna be doing something. Is it embarrassing?
Let me tell you what, in a local newspaper, the Press Republican is reporting
I bet
that the
mine's
man
more
who found
embarrassing.
the
Let's go.
items with the DNA is named.
But there have been thousand leads that police have looked into. In fact, there was a massive search down in Allegheny County.
So slippery and yucky.
Over the weekend because of 2 reported sightings.
I know!